Tashi Delek, few of my friends, they requested me to explain how to do meditation in their daily life. So today I am going to discuss about meditations. If you do a long journeys, in order to reach your exact destinations, first you need to study and learn about the route with somebody else, or you can take a help of map and its descriptions. So without understanding, if you just embark on your journey, perhaps you would not able to reach to your destination exactly. Similarly, if you really want to do a good meditation, first you need to know what is meditations and what are the steps that you have to do practice in your daily life. Without having any knowledge, you just sit down and do meditations, then you would not able to see a big results in your daily life. Meditation means dhyan in Sanskrit, and the meaning of dhyan means you are sustaining the attention on the object that is reflected in the state of your mind. So this is the meaning of the dhyan. And so what is the purpose of doing the practice of meditations? The great Tibetan master, his name is Lama Tsongkhapa, and one of his book, which is called Lamrim Chenpo. I think in English it is called the Great Treatise on the Stages of the Path to Enlightenment. In these textbooks, Lama Tsongkhapa says that Gom she thapa sem gewe mikbala yangda twebe mingnam kyongwa dini thoma meba ne rang sem ge wangdo gyurjing sem rangi wangdo magyula sem ja nyamo bala sobe tiba namla jesu chobe nyegyo thamje kebar chebe sem de rangi wangdo gyuwar chene gewe mikbala jidar tödo do kodo rungar chebe chedo yinos. So this is what he has said in his textbooks. So if I translate these meanings in English version, from the beginningless time, we have been under the control of our mind. Our mind has not been under our own control. Furthermore, our mind tended to be obscured by the afflictions and so forth. Meditations aims to bring this mind, which gives rise to all faults, under control, and you can direct your mind as you wish towards a virtue objects of meditations. So this is the rough meaning what I have translated right now. And also the great Indian master His name is Shanti Deva, and one of his famous writing, which is called A Guide to the Bodhisattva's Way of Life. In Tibetan, we name it a Chönjuk Chemo. If you look at the Chönjuk Chemo in chapter number 8, so chapter number 8 is the chapter of meditation. In this chapter, he has written that semne number yingwe mi nyomu cheve tana nes. So this it means in English that those whose mind is distracted, they lived between the fangs of disturbing emotions. This is what he has said. And also, if you look at the chapter number 5, the chapter number 5 is the chapter of alertness. In this chapter, he has said that deju thane kadukun yurin thusu che che jangs semne yinwe chebane tinirikbe theme sons. So it means in English that like even though if the recitation, chanting, and physical hardship are practiced, for long periods of time, they become meaningless if our mind is distracted elsewhere. So this is what he has said in his chapter number 5. One of Indian great master, his name is Lama Atisha. He came to Tibet in 10th century, and one of his works, which is called A Lamb for the Path to Enlightenment. In this textbooks, he has mentioned that shine yala nam nyamna rabdu bede gom cheja lone tonda thagi kyang tingzi drova me juros. So that means even if somebody meditates with a great effort, and some parts of meditations or some factors of shamatha meditation are degenerated, then single-pointed concentration will not be achieved in 1,000s or 2,000 and thousands of years. This is what he has said. So if we look at the factors, there are so many factors it has described in different textbooks. So one of the key factor is an appropriate place. So when we speak about the place and area, many textbooks it has recommended us, it would be nice if we can do a meditation in isolated place. So this is not practical for most of us, those people who are staying in urban area, who are residing in very busy and crowded cities. So this is impossible for us. But according to the textbooks, it has mentioned that it would be nice if we can do and practice the meditation in isolated place. So when when I speak about the isolated place, there are few features it has uh, described regarding the isolated place. So I'm going to explain some of them. So first thing is, the place where uh, where it has easy access for the necessities such as food and clothing, and also it has mentioned a good place and good area. So good place and good area means, there is no any threat, there is no any attack from the people and wild animals, the place where there is a danger of your life. So that kind of isolated place is not good for meditators. Then another thing is, good company. Good company here, it means that, if you have any friends who are staying with you in a isolated place, that company, uh, what's that, that person should be a ethical disciplined, who can uh, helps you to improve your meditations, who is not disturbing you to do a good meditations. So that kind of company and friend that you need when you are doing a meditation in isolated place. This is what we can see the explanation in the textbook. Um, I want to make a short video, so today I'm going to stop here. In my next video, I'm going to discuss about what is the physical posture that you need to practice in your meditations, and what are the objects that you need to choose when you are engaging in the meditations, and what are the true qualities that you need to maintain when you are focusing on your objects. So these are the things I will explain in my next videos. So that's all today, and see you in my next video. Thank you.